What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying fragrances from a new company I've never tried before, and I bought them from a new website that I've never tried before either. So let's try them together and see if they're any good. The first one is Turath Intense by Le Falcone. It's got the box right there. That's nice presentation. Very good. It's very Latafa-esque to me. This opens like that to reveal the bottle. That is a beautiful bottle. That is a very pretty bottle. It's very heavy. This is a very heavy. This is a take it to a riot kind of bottle. I really like the filigree of this bottle. It looks really good. And I really like the presentation of the box. So both of them look fantastic. But the bottle is just one thing. Let's take a sniff, see what this smells like. This smells sweet, but expensive, deep, alcohol-y, but not alcohol as in like perfume alcohol, more like alcohol, like whiskey, rummy kind of thing. There's also a chocolate vibe that I'm getting from it, but I don't think it has chocolate. But I get chocolate every time there's, this is crazy, but every time there's oud in something, I get a chocolate vibe from it. But it smells really good. I really like this. It's like a leathery, oudy, sweet, deep thing. It smells very sophisticated. It smells very niche, expensive. Might not be a blind buy safe. And actually, this reminds me of something I reviewed like recently, like a few days ago. This reminds me a little bit, no, it reminds me quite a bit of, oh my God, what is it called? Sable. Vulcan Sable by French Avenue. It has very similar vibes to it. It has the same like whiskey, bourbon type of thing. It has the same chocolatey, but not really chocolate notes. And I think it has similar notes too. So the top notes for this are vanilla, orchid, rum, jasmine, ylang ylang, and Turkish rose. The heart notes are vanilla, brown sugar, creme brulee, spicy notes, and leather. And then the base notes are tonka bean, patchouli, agarwood, amber, and musk. This smells great, but this smells niche. I don't think this is like a blind buy safe kind of thing. And I said the same thing about the Vulcan Sable version. I said the same thing about Vulcan Sable. I don't think that one was blind buy safe either. I'm excited to try this in the future as a long wear test, but good vibe, not blind buy safe. Reminds me of Vulcan Sable. That's my general vibe of this as the first try, and that bottle is bitchin'. Love this bottle. This is like gothic vampire vibes. Love it. Potion. The next one is by Kunooz. Never heard of it, and it's called Arheb or Arheb. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So this opens, this is a very simple box. It opens very simply, and it is a very simple bottle. Nothing wow to write home about. I love seeking out new companies and new things I never heard about. So I'm excited to try out new things. So this smells light, fruity, sugary, but not overly sweet. It's not sweet tooth kind of thing. It's more leaning on that fruity vibe. It's more leaning on the lighter side of sweet. This would be a very good spring summer scent. Definitely leaning female. This reminds me a little bit of Arabian coral, but a lot less sweet than that one. There's flowers there, there's fruit there. There's very slight powderiness there. It's very pretty, very nice. So let me look up the notes and see what the vibe is of that. So the notes for this are, top notes are blackcurrant and pear. The middle notes are iris, jasmine, and orange blossom. And the base notes are praline, vanilla, patchouli, and tonka bean. So yeah, it's definitely a fruity and sweet scent, but it's not overly fruity. It's not overly sweet. It's just light. A good light scent. This is office appropriate. This is very nice. I like it. I'm looking forward to doing a wear time test. So far, these two have been very good. This thing's very appropriate, very subdued, sweet, nice, more mature than your typical sweeter scents, right? So I like this quite a bit. So the next one, which is also by Le Falcone, which was this one, is Al Jawad, I think, Highly. This slides out like that to reveal the bottle. Never broke it. Al Jawad. Look at that beautiful bottle. That is. What is that? So it smells like candy, but medicinal candy kind of thing. The first hit of this is sweet, and then it has like some back notes that I can't really identify. It kind of gives me like a anisey, spicy, medicine-y kind of thing. It's like a sweet balm that gives like comforting vibes. Usually when things are medicine-y, I don't typically like it. This one I like quite a bit. So the top notes are saffron, Moroccan jasmine, and raspberry. The middle notes are amberwood, ambergris, olibanum, and red berries. And the base notes are Madagascar vanilla, musk, fir resin, cedar, and benzoin. Beautiful. It smells pretty good. I like it. The bottle is great. The presentation is fantastic. Overall, good vibe. I really like the scent. I'm excited. All 3 of these are really good to start my new exploration of new companies that are not Armaf, Lattafa, blah, blah, blah. So these are great. I'm excited for these. I'm looking forward to doing a full wear time test. Do you know of any companies that I haven't tried yet that you think I should try out? Let me know. I'm excited to try out like different companies, different fragrance houses that I haven't tried. That won't break the bank, of course. Let me know. It would really help out. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. It really helps on my channel. Remember, a sense is subjective. What I like isn't necessarily something you'll like. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.